Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Crazy Gamer. Today I'm going to be guiding you through how to log in to Lords Mobile with Facebook. To log into Lords Mobile with Facebook, first of all, open the Lords Mobile game application on your device and then from the main home screen, tap on the gear icon at the bottom right corner. Now click on Account from the menu. Inside Account Settings, go ahead and tap on Switch Account and Device. On the next page, tap on Facebook. Now, click on the login button right next to the Facebook logo and follow through the instructions. Click the continue button to end up in facebook.com website and enter your Facebook account's credentials. After you do that, you will see this pop up. Click on open and then you'll be asked for Lords Mobile to access your name and profile, email address of your Facebook account. Tap on continue and then you'll be able to log into Lords Mobile with Facebook. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel. I will see you in the next video. Thank you for watching.